4 signs it's time for an engine rebuild. Your engine is the heart of your car. With proper maintenance and care, a modern car engine can last for hundreds of thousands of miles without a breakdown. To avoid the inconvenience of getting your car to a repair shop in a tow truck, you should look for signs of engine trouble. Here are some signs that indicate that the engine is failing, and that you should contact an experienced mechanic for an engine rebuilding. 1. Smoke coming from the engine. If you see smoke coming from the engine, it could be a sign that the engine is at the end of its life. The smoke can be due to a cracked cylinder head or blown head gasket, or possibly something relatively minor. If you see a blue smoke coming out of the tailpipe, it can be due to a worn-out piston rings or valves, which results in leakage of oil in the combustion area. Other reasons for smoke coming out of the engine include a clogged air filter, malfunctioning emission system, and ignition problems. 2. Ticking sound inside the motor. A ticking sound inside the motor indicates that engine is not being properly lubricated. The ticking sound can also indicate low oil. If you notice this sound, you should immediately contact an experienced mechanic to diagnose and resolve the problem. 3. Power loss. Loss of power when climbing a hill or accelerating indicates engine wear. The problem may require a simple tune-up, new spark plugs, or the worst-case scenario would be a rebuild. Again, it's essential that you get the car checked up by a reliable local mechanic to address the problem. 4. Overheating problem. A car can overheat due to different reasons. Lack of coolant or the wrong coolant brand can cause the engine to heat up quickly. Also, a rusted radiator can lead to an overheating problem. An engine can also overheat due to a fault in the head gasket. The head gasket is situated between the cylinder head and the block. The job of the gasket is to thermally expand with the seal coolant chambers and engine. If the head gasket fails, the coolant will leak into the oil system. This can result in a buildup of sludge on the underside of the oil cap. It can lead to gradual overheating of the engine. You should immediately contact a local experienced mechanic to diagnose and resolve the problem.